Morning. It's a frosty start for some of us this morning, a cold start for most, and we're looking at a day of sunshine and showers, some heavy and thundery with some hail. Then into the weekend, it's looking wet and windy. I'll have all the details coming up. Oh, bless you, Naga. Thank you very much, and good morning, everybody. You know, for some of us, it's not as cold as it was this time yesterday morning. Naga is quite right, but there is some frost around this morning for some too, and the forecast is one of sunny spells and scattered showers. So you may see them, you may not. And we've still got the showers across the north and west of Scotland, some of those wintry. We've got some showers across Northern Ireland and a few getting in across parts of northwest England and also Wales. Now through the day we'll see further showers develop, and they'll especially develop across eastern England and eastern Scotland, where they could be heavy and thundery with some hail. But a lot of us won't see any at all and get away with a dry day with a fair bit of sunshine. Later in the day, though, the cloud will thicken across the southwest, heralding the arrival of our next weather front. Now, yesterday, temperatures got to just over 14 degrees in Plymouth. Today, we could see 14 or 15, so a little bit milder. As we head on through the evening and overnight, it will be chilly to start with. Many of the showers will fade, but as this cloud and rain comes in from the Atlantic, temperatures will actually rise for some. Not so in parts of Scotland and northern England, where it will be cold enough still for a touch of frost. But you can see the temperatures for the rest of the country between 5 and roughly 10 degrees. I'll have a longer forecast in about half an hour, but now back to John and Naga. Good morning, both. Well, May, the month of May, is living up to its name because you may see some showers today or you may not. The forecast is one of sunny spells and scattered showers. A little bit of mist first thing this morning in Wiltshire. That will quickly burn away, and a lot of dry weather and some sunshine. But for some, it's a chilly start, not quite as cold as this time yesterday, and also a frosty one. Now, as we go through the course of the morning, we'll continue with showers across parts of the north and the west. The south, largely dry and clear, including the Channel Islands. Quite different from what we had yesterday morning, but it is a chilly start. A lot of sunshine, showers across northern England, Northern Ireland, western and northern Scotland, but well scattered, still wintry on the tops of the mountains. Through the course of the day, though, we'll see further showers develop, and especially so in eastern Scotland and eastern England, where they could be heavy and thundery with some hail. And then later on, the cloud will thicken across the southwest, heralding the arrival of some rain later again. Temperatures 7 to 14, maybe 15 degrees. Now through this evening and overnight, it will start off on a cold note, but for some, as this cloud and rain comes in, accompanied by gusty winds, the temperature will go up because we're importing milder air from the southwest. So there'll be an early frost for some, temperature going up, but for northern England and Scotland, once again, you can expect some frost, especially so in rural areas. And then it's looking pretty wet as we go through the rest of Saturday. John and Naga.
Carol, thank you.
Today it's a chilly start to the day for some, a frosty one, and then we've got a day of sunshine and showers, some heavy and thundery with hail. And into the weekend it turns warmer but wetter and windier. I'll have all the details coming up. That would be perfect. Good morning, everyone. For some of us, it's a cold start to the day, as it is in Northern Ireland this morning, but look at the blue skies. And for some of us, there's also some frost around first thing. But the forecast for today is sunny spells and scattered showers. Some of the showers heavy and thundery with... At the moment, they're across the north and parts of the west, but as we go through the day, you'll find further showers developing, especially across eastern Scotland and eastern England. And these are the ones that could be heavy and thundery with some hail. Later on, the cloud will thicken in the southwest, heralding the arrival of our next weather front. But a lot of dry weather today and a lot of sunshine, with temperatures 7 in the north to 14 in the south. Now, it's going to be a cold early evening before all of this cloud and rain and strengthening winds and milder air comes in from the southwest. This is an area of low pressure coming our way for the weekend. So to give you an idea, the temperatures in Plymouth and St Helier, 10 degrees. They'll actually go up in the second part of the night. But for parts of northern England and Scotland, still cool enough for a touch of frost. So we start on a drier note in the north on Saturday morning, but here comes the rain, and some of this is going to be heavy. In the ensuing 48 hours across Wales and higher ground, we could see up to 100 millimetres, so almost 4 inches. But it will dry up in the Channel Islands, the sun will come out for you, and it will brighten up across parts of the southeast with highs of 17. Quick heads up on Sunday. In the centre of the country, there'll be a lot of cloud and some patchy rain. On either side of it, some showers. And depending on where the weather front producing the patchy rain goes, we could hit 20 or 22 in the southeast, so getting that bit warmer. John and Naga.
Thank you.
It's a chilly start to the day, and for some of us there's some frost around. For most it's a day of sunshine and showers, some of those heavy with hail and thunder, leading us into a wet and windy weekend, but also a much milder one. I'll have all the details coming up. Not going up this weekend though, Naga.
Okay.
Good morning, everybody. But this morning the numbers are small. It's a chilly start. It's also a frosty one, but we've got a lot of blue sky to start with. However, through the day, the showers are going to develop that bit more widely. Now, if you have an allergy to pollen, tree pollen is prevalent at the moment. For much of the UK, the levels are moderate today, but in the far southeast, they are high. So we're starting off with a few showers in the north and the west. Through the day, further showers will develop, and they'll be heavy, potentially with hail and thunder across eastern Scotland and eastern England. But they're quite well scattered. A lot of us will miss them altogether and stay dry. Cloud building in the southwest later, ahead of a weather system coming our way. Now, through this evening, temperatures will fall away under the clear skies, but as this next system comes in, it's not only going to bring some heavy rain and some stronger winds, but it's also going to import some milder air. So the temperature falling away to only 10 degrees. In actual fact, it will fall, then it will rise across the far southwest and the Channel Islands and southern England and Wales. But under the clearer skies further north, for northern England and also Scotland, it will be cold enough for a touch of frost. But here it will be a dry start, but it won't last because here comes the rain, moving northwards and eastwards through the course of the day. And then we've got this other leg of rain, once again affecting northern England, Wales and the southwest. In fact, on Saturday and into Sunday, the higher parts of Wales could easily reach 100 millimetres. That's almost 4 inches and could lead to some flooding. But Naga and John, there's some higher temperatures and even higher again on Sunday.
Keep pushing them up, Carol. Keep pushing them up.
Just for you, Naga.
Thank you.
Bigger numbers.